Welcome. In this video I will show you how to mute microphone on your ACER Chromebook 315. To mute your laptop's microphone, you have to use the combination of search and M buttons pressed together, and this will mute or unmute your device's microphone. Alternative way to do this is by opening the Start menu, go into Settings. In Settings, on the sidebar, select Privacy and Security, and then you're gonna have to select Privacy Controls, and here select Find Microphone Access and switch the toggle to the left next to it if you want to disable your microphone for applications on your device, and then you can switch it on whenever you want to. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.